4 degrees off the equator, thousands of miles from the nearest landmass, a speck in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. This is Christmas Island, one of the most remote and otherworldly fly fishing destinations on the planet. For 6 days, I will walk the endless white sand flats of one of the world's largest lagoons in pursuit of bonefish, one of the most hard-fighting, sought-after fish for passionate fly anglers. For me, this isn't just fishing. It's a passion, and this is going to be an adventure in a place where the world feels untouched. This is Christmas Island, fly fishing at the very edge of the world.
Christmas Island, brother. Fish home. Things have changed since the last time I was here. This is a new facility.
Ocean so clear, I get the feeling bonefish are everywhere. I hear the conga, cold and so clear, playing in the sunshine.
It's another one of these bucket list trips. Fly fishing in Christmas Island for bonefish, giant trevally. Mostly for bonefish for me on this trip. This is the 4th time I've been to the islands. And back to the same place where it all started. Captain Cook Lodge is now the Christmas Island Lodge. All remodeled, just a great looking lodge, and I cannot wait. 6 full days of bone fishing. Armadillo's here with me, and that's what we're gonna do, right? We've both caught the GTs. We want to go after bonefish this trip, and I appreciate you for taking the time to join me. So, I'm just kind of walking the beach here out in front of the lodge and just taking it all in. Christmas Island. We planned this trip, it was 189 days ago. That's a long time to wait, and we're here now. All right, let's go catch some bonefish. Let's do this. Fish on. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We took a ride in. We're getting in a boat, and they're going to take us to a flat this morning. So, first day on the water. Cannot wait to hook into one of these bonefish. It's going to be exciting. Let's do it. Fish on.
Part of the station is there are 1.5 million sooty terns that leave the island every morning and come back every night. When they go out to sea, and when they're coming back in, it looks like a gray cloud.
You get currents here, don't you?
Yep.
Did you have any kind of a bug problem?
Here we are at our first flat. Finally, Christmas Island. Hello, Carlos.
Hey!
Christmas Island. This will be our guide for today. Yeah. Carlos knows his stuff, and we're gonna get into some fish.
Yep.
All right, let's go catch some fish. Let's do this.
Do this. Yeah, that's where I saw the same fish with the embassy, but that was the start movie.
Yeah.
It could be. Yeah, it
Right
looked like that.
Right here.
Let's just try this one. I couldn't tell really well. I look like a dogfish. Okay. It's true. It's true. Got him.
Got him. Oh, off. Got something. Might be a little bone. Little bonefish. Nice. Now that was quite a rain squall, but got some blue sky behind us. There we go. Nice. He's gonna run like a mofo, I know it. There he goes. Gotta love these fish. There we go. Easy. It's right there. There he is.
The other one just
Yeah, the small one got it. Come on. Yeah, I was going for a really big one and then a small one grabbed it. I know.
it's a blue.
It's a bluefin? Oh, trigger?
Yeah, there's no other you got first.
Yep.
For the
Aggressive. There we go. Makes it easy. He's like, what? What happened? There we go. He's off. Now he's on it. Oh, come on. The small one got it again. Another bone, but the small guy took it. There was a really big fish behind it. That is funny. The small bones are like, little scrappy fuckers. Oh yeah. Just like that. Here comes round number 2. Ugh, it's not gonna be warm. There it is. Come on. Make the run. Make the run. Gotta love how these things fight. It's a nice fish. Get a measurement on this guy. Kind of cool. Sweet. Here it comes. Another round of rain squalls. It's a little chilly, especially when you don't bring a jacket. That's crazy. Day one in the books. I'll see you in the morning.